Hello, everyone. I'm Professor Halsey, and I've been teaching technology at DeVry for 24 years, and I love what I do. I have a husband. His name's Otis. I have 4 kids. My youngest is 21. I have one granddaughter who just turned 9, and she is just like me. I love gardening, but I really enjoy tinkering with circuits and programming and having fun making those work. Troubleshooting is the joy that brings it all together because nothing ever works the first time. I got my bachelor's degree here at DeVry University in 1990 in electronic engineering technology. Later went back to Southern Polytechnic State University to get a master's degree in technology. I like it that much. I do. Um, so I enjoyed learning about it, and I enjoy even more teaching people how to use it and how to learn about it themselves and how to manipulate all this stuff and just get around. And I really enjoy helping people with this. So if you need anything at any time, feel free to reach out to me, chalsey@devry.edu. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.